Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the hardware and environment so the pairing can succeed. First, install fresh batteries and make sure the Promac TV is on. This lets you immediately test functions. Next, locate your universal remotes code list or identify whether it supports auto-scan, because you will need a code or the scan to map signals. Once done, place the remote close to the TV, about 6 to 12 inches, and remove obstructions. This minimizes interference and speed. You now perform the code entry or let the remote search automatically, and you need patience here. Press and hold setup or code until the LED glows, then enter the first Promac code. If your remote supports auto-scan, trigger the scan and wait as it cycles codes. Make sure to watch the TV during attempts. Responding to power or volume confirms a match. If the TV reacts, save the code per the remote's instructions. Otherwise, continue through the list or let the scan complete. You finish by locking the successful code and validating functions so the remote is reliable. After the TV responds, press save or enter to store the code, then systematically test power, volume, input, and mute to confirm complete control. If a function fails, make sure to repeat setup or try a different code. Sometimes partial compatibility requires a second code. If nothing works, replace batteries, reset the remote, and use manual code search or check the Promac model number for an exact code. That usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.